The concept of carbon credit system, a significant aspect of the global effort against climate change, embodies both an innovative solution and an unconventional market-based process. Understanding the origin, function, and impact of the carbon credit system, as well as the potential drawbacks, will provide broader insights into our environmental strategies. The foundation of the carbon credit system rests on the landmark Kyoto Protocol. Established in 1997 and taking effect from 2005, more than 190 countries committed to cutting down on greenhouse gases. Out of this agreement emerged three innovative mechanisms: international emissions trading, clean development mechanism, CDM, and joint implementation, JI. It is in these mechanisms that we find the genesis of carbon credits. Each carbon credit corresponds to the elimination of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide, or its equivalent in other harmful greenhouse gases. Countries and companies incur carbon credits for their ecological initiatives, thus creating a novel moral and economic incentive to combat climate change. These credits can also be traded internationally, encouraging a free market approach to environment conservation. The significance of the carbon credit system is manifold. On one level, it directly involves industry and global sustainability efforts. Companies can now consider environmentalism as part of their fiscal responsibility, setting solid goals for reducing their carbon footprint. On a broader scale, developing nations can sell their carbon credits to larger industrialized nations struggling to meet emission reductions. As such, the system encourages wealthy nations to invest in greener technologies in developing countries rather than buying their way out of emission cuts. The carbon credit system also has proven positive effects towards encouraging sustainable innovations. Many entrepreneurs and companies are spurred on by this fiscal incentive to conceptualize and implement green technologies, breeding a new generation of ecologically responsible innovation. Thus, carbon credits serve as a catalyst for sustainable development. However, the carbon credit system is not without its complications and drawbacks. An inherent challenge is the quantification and monitoring of carbon emissions itself, a complex and often disputed science. This has led to issues of transparency and credibility, with some carbon offset projects reportedly embellishing their actual emission reductions. Therefore, maintaining the integrity of carbon credit claims requires rigorous regulatory frameworks and oversights. Another challenge revealed in this system are instances where the carbon credit system allowed companies a license to pollute. Companies with a significant carbon credit surplus can freely continue their polluting activities, which subvert the primary aim of carbon reduction. Furthermore, the process of trading carbon credits has been criticized for creating a form of neocolonialism, with wealthy nations outsourcing their environmental responsibilities to developing countries. Also, there is a risk of an over-reliance on the carbon credit system, detracting from the importance of improving energy efficiency and shifting to renewable energy sources. Lastly, the potential commodification of natural resources, such as when forests are converted into carbon sinks, can lead to harmful social and environmental consequences. In conclusion, the carbon credit system embodies a compelling notion to address climate change, uniting environmentalism and economic pragmatism. Through this system, a moral motive is allied with a market incentive to stimulate sustainable development worldwide. However, like any tool, the effectiveness of the carbon credit system is determined by how responsibly it is used. Ensuring rigorous oversight, maintaining the integrity, and recognizing its limitations are also essential for its success. Continued refinement of this system could be a crucial component in the global strategy against unprecedented environmental challenges.